Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Inspect the ferrule for looseness and check bristle condition. Use the correct solvent for the paint type. Solvent softens dried material so you can remove buildup. Once softened, gently scrape along the bristle length to push old paint out of the ferrule and tips. Make sure to protect surfaces and work over a tray. If bristles are heavily glued together, repeat short solvent applications until they separate and move freely. You now clean deeply. After solvent work, soak the bristles in warm water with dish soap to lift remaining residue. This opens the fibers and removes oils. Once soaked, comb from the ferrule outward to detangle and align bristles. Do not comb back toward the ferrule. Apply a little hair conditioner or brush restorer to replenish flexibility, working it through gently. Rinse thoroughly while maintaining shape. Repeat combing until bristles run smooth. This step restores paint pickup and prevents splaying during use. Finish by reshaping the brush to its intended profile using your fingers or a metal comb. Wrap lightly with paper towel to keep form. Dry the brush horizontally or hanging bristles down so water won't seep into the ferrule and loosen glue. Once dry, test on scrap material, and if needed, trim only stray bristles about 1 to 2 millimeters. If bristles remain splayed or stiff, re-soak in conditioner solution for 10 minutes. Persistent problems indicate ferrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.